Heyo, our names are Leah and Jessica. We are spending the summer in Oxford, Wisconsin on this beautiful lake. Enjoy watching us goof around this week. Where are we at?
Wisconsin.
We're at, yes, we're at Parker Lake Lodge. It's on Parker Lake. It is super beautiful. We're here, we're having a couple drinks and thinking about swimming. We biked here, so it's super fun. We're just hanging out. Leah making immediate adjustments. And it's raining. Shoddy. We just met some really nice van life people from Quebec.
Yeah.
It's always nervous. Like we literally just pulled over to go talk to them. Leah's idea. I loved it. They're very sweet. That's them. Our neighbor Sally just came over. She is the sweetest thing. Third generation, amazing. Love this woman. She just came over and she's like, "You want some watermelon?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And then she comes over and this is what she brings me. All of these treats. Avocado, strawberries, oranges, whole watermelon. I'm like, "Sally, you really shouldn't have." She said, "I need to take care of my girls." I said, "You definitely are taking care of your girls very well." Because those are some posh fruits that we don't buy. And avocado, vegetable, I don't know. But I'm very excited to eat them. Yum, yum, yum. Oh my gosh, those strawberries are calling my name. Look at how clear this water is. It's crystal clear. It's insane. Like, you can see the shells. Come on. Cleanest lake I've ever been in. The water here, there's no words. I could stay in the water here forever. This is my happy place. This is where I love to bring people that I love. And I'm so happy to share it with all of you guys because no one knows it's here and it's the best thing ever. This is as close as it gets to heaven on earth for me. And I'm so grateful to have this place. New day, different workout.
No, same workout, different route.
Yeah. So we're gonna do Leah running and me biking again, but we're gonna go around Parker where we both rode our bikes the other day. So I'm excited to do that. I think this is easier for me than it is for her. She chose this life. Good. Come on. You can come with us. Do you want to take a bathroom break? We're done. Leah tried to race me at the end going up the hill, and for a second, I thought she was gonna beat me, which would be really embarrassing, but she didn't. And then she just took her shoes off immediately when she stopped. We just got back from the thrift store, ew, and now we are getting some margaritas, and Miss Sally is getting out of this big truck she's driving, and she's got her little stepping stool, because she's a queen. She
There you
is
go.
a queen.
Or nothing, you can have nothing.
Got you some flowers.
Thanks, babe. We pray to know what we're doing after Nicole's wedding in August. What are we doing with our lives?
We'll never know. You took more than one breath.
Oh my gosh, that was so much energy.
So we're headed to Minnesota right now, and it's raining. We love driving in the rain. And Jessica's getting a tooth surgery, and I'm gonna go play at a lake.
We are driving all the way to Minnesota.
Yeah, it's like a 3-hour drive.
It's a 3.5-hour drive, one way. And I'm getting this. I forgot to floss. I gotta floss.
Good
This-
that we have floss with us.
I'm getting a tooth put in there. I already had the first part of the implant last year and have been putting it off successfully for a year. And now I'm going to get this stupid tooth and be done with Minnesota and be done with Bloomington.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go do that.
We have a certain animosity towards Minnesota, and we never thought we'd be back. Well, I never thought I would be back.
I'm kind of excited. Okay, I'm going back to our old college because I'm picking up my bike because it has a basket and I need that bike. It's so amazing. It's actually the crappiest bike ever, but there's a basket, so I'm gonna go try to steal it back. I don't know if it's still there, but yeah.
We're about to hike that, baby. We're about to do this hike, and these are the shoes Jessica feels like are good for the hike.
These are my only shoes, bro.
That is not true.
Yes, it is.
It's this like rock thing. I'm so stoked because every time we drive from Minnesota to Wisconsin, we see this huge, massive rock thing. We're like, we should go, and we're finally doing it. Here's us. Here's the rock. It looks so fun to climb.
What the heck? It's so pretty.
Outside! A sight to see. Jessica driving. Whoop whoop!
I got
She got a
it.
new tooth.
She did. Guess which one it is?
Dude, I can't even tell.
I can.
Look at me, I'm just like all up in your face. Yeah,
that's
the only
good.
reason we came to
Now we
Minnesota.
can leave and never come back.
Whoop whoop.
I'm going in.
The package has been secured.
I got the bike and my bike cover. Look at this basket. Yeah, it's dented. Yeah, it's beaten up. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's the best thing I ever had. It immediately came out of my nose. YouTube debut. Oh my God.
There you go.
Get it, girl, get it. What does that damn pedal? Wait, just get up first and I'll hit it.
You're going out.
Sally just came and brought us even more fruit. She is
Sally's
so
a
sweet.
G.
She gave us cherries and plums and blackberries. She gave us these avocados. I'm having avocado toast. I'm so excited. She's the best. Can we appreciate this big jar of salsa? It was $15. I don't know why we do this. Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we travel to Missouri for my sister's wedding.